and today I have brought the 4th chapter of 7th standard, and the name of the chapter is The Haunt of the Baskervilles. English, The Haunt of the Baskervilles. Now this is a very amazing novel, very interesting also, and it is written by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle, and it is from the series of Sherlock Holmes. You must have read about Sherlock Holmes, the very important character of Sir Arthur Conan Doyle, and one of the best creations of Sir Arthur Conan Doyle, and he is popularly known for this. Though he is not a real one, just an imaginary character, but then also it has affected several minds, and many people just like him the way I like him. So here we are talking about Sherlock Holmes, and so the best creation of Sir Arthur Conan Doyle, and it's from the series of Sherlock Holmes. And the name of this lesson is, and the name of this novel is, it's a novel, The Haunts of the Baskerville. So first of all, let me explain the meaning of haunt. What is the meaning of haunt? What does haunt mean? H-O-U-N-D. Haunt. What is the meaning of haunt? Haunt is a wild dog, a kind of wild dog. You can say that a dog which is very fond of hunting, and a dog which can even kill a human being. That kind of dog is known as a haunt. So actually, the owner, Baskerville is a surname of a big family. So that was a haunt of a Baskerville means there was a big house, a very big house, where a very big family was living together, and the main character of the family is all of a sudden he dies. The main character of the family, all of a sudden he dies. The eldest member of the family, he dies. So his friend, doctor, he was also a doctor. When he comes to know about his death, he comes to see his body. So when he sees his body, he doesn't believe it. He doesn't believe in the statement that he died a natural death. He had a suspicion in his mind that something has definitely happened here, and he cannot died of a heart attack or anything like that, because by looking at the face of that dead body, he could make out that something was definitely serious here, and it was not natural, but something was really unnatural. And by looking at the dead body, he understood that here in this chapter we can see that by looking at this, by the face of that man, that his friend came to know that he had seen something very ferocious before he died. He had seen something very ferocious before he died, and his eyes were widely open, and his mouth was even open, and we could see her, means that man even could see the fear on his face. So he wanted an investigation that how his best friend died. So then he hired Sherlock Holmes, and Sherlock Holmes' assistant was Dr. Watson, his companion. Then Sherlock Holmes comes there and analyzes each and everything very keenly. He was a very keen observer. So he analyzes everything very keenly, and then he comes to know that his neighbor, first of all, he had a doubt on each and every character of the family, each and every member of the family. But then he comes to know that there was a neighbor who was living near his house, near the palace. I mean, not the palace, but that manor, you can call it a manor. Baskerville family, he was living near Baskerville family, and his name was Jack. But later on he comes to know that his name was actually not Jack. His name was actually not Jack Stapleton, but instead of that, his name was Roger Baskerville, and he was just hiding his identity. So why was he hiding his identity? This we'll come to know now. So actually, children, this man Jack, actually his name was Roger. This man Roger was the family member of the Baskervilles. He was the family member of Baskervilles only, but he had brought a lump sum amount of money from another country, and he had run away from there, and he came and started staying here, where at the Baskerville Hall. So he was one of the members only of Baskerville family. So then he opened a school, and what happened, one teacher was there, he died of tuberculosis. He was infected, and because of him 3 more children got infected, and they also died along with the teacher within few months. So the government sealed the school just because of infection, because the infection was spreading everywhere. So then government sealed it. So then he was suffering from loss. Then he got an idea. Then why he shouldn't do something like that? That he should kill his own uncle, and then all his property will be his. So he killed his uncle. The body we are talking about now, at first in the opening scene, when you open the novel, you'll first come to know about the body lying on the ground, and when you watch the video even, then also this will be the only opening scene. So then he killed his uncle, but in the Baskerville, one more member was there, and his name was Henry. So he was thinking that he will kill his uncle and all his property will be his. But actually this did not happen, because the property after his uncle's death was all of Henry. He was the next one to have that property. So then he planned to kill Henry also, but failed. Before that only he had been caught by Sherlock Holmes, and he had been sent to prison. So this is the end of the novel. I hope you liked it and understood it. I'll be there with the next video. Till then, thank you and bye.